I just got a new package from Sephora. Before we get into this changing my vanity thing, I got my new, I'm so excited, Cosa Intensifying Gel Liner. I got 2 more of the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stains. I told you guys I'm obsessed with those. And look what came. The Danessa Myrick. So stay tuned for this palette. I'm so excited. I'm going to dedicate a full video on this. And then we're going to do a full face of all this new makeup. Let's get started into changing my vanity and switching up all my makeup in here. Okay, so here is the vanity. I do have a couple of products that I just filmed with. Foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush. I filmed with this. So we're going to have to put this away as well. But that's why it looks so empty. We have to put away all of this stuff and replace it. So the only thing I'm keeping here is my new Natasha Denona foundation. This is new, so that's why I'm keeping it, because I still need to test it out. And then my Givenchy bronzer, because this is new as well. I'm gonna remove all this. This was so good throughout this time. I've used it quite a lot. Very natural looking and glowy. Again, my Shiseido one, amazing. I love how lightweight and perfect coverage. Laura Mercier, I've used this quite a bit as well, so I'm pretty happy with how I've used my products. This one, Chanel, oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. It did not work for me in Mexico, but it works really good here, so I love that. This one I haven't used as much as I thought I would, but I'm gonna put it away for now. This one I haven't used as well. I'm not using much for under my eyes. It's like a corrector. So maybe I'll keep this one in here because I don't use correctors as much. I have used my It Cosmetics concealer. Great serum concealer, very radiant. I love this all over the face as well. My Road Milk and my Westman Atelier. Now this is quite new. I think this will stay on my desk because I'm going to use it more. And this one, I'll put away for now. My Road Blush, this is new, but I did end up using quite a lot. Patrick Ta and She's Wanted. This will replace with another Patrick Ta one because I have to have a Patrick Ta in here for sure. This is new. I've used it quite a lot as well. I love this Sunburn shade. It's so pretty on the lips as well. Of course, my Givenchy, put away. I love that. This by Nude Sticks, Bareback. Such a beautiful shade. Definitely recommend that. This stays here because I always use those. Givenchy stays here, like I said. And we're going to put this away. The Sephora bronzer, Victoria Beckham. And also I have my Refi, so we're going to put that away. And my Guerlain, should I put this away or still keep it? I think I'm going to keep this on my desk or here because they're those little pearls and I want to use more often. Yes, and I think I'm going to start incorporating a face palette in here as well. So let's close this up for now. Go to my other drawers and put all of these products away and then start choosing again new products. Okay, so let's put the concealer away. This one. I think we're gonna choose some foundations. Let's see which one I haven't used in a while here. This is so hard to choose because I want to choose so many. I haven't used the Fenty Beauty one, so let's choose this one. Ooh, this one. Here's another one I haven't used in a while. So let's go with the Chanel #1. I would love to use my Chantecaille foundation. I heard they came out with a new formula, so I would love to try another one and probably in a lighter shade because I think this is a little bit too dark for me, but it still works. So I'm going to take this one out again. How about this one, the Urban Decay? This, everybody loved it, and I know I loved it as well. So I'm going to tried this one, but I want more because I usually don't do this often. And I like to have stuff to choose from. Oh, this one, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This I haven't touched in a long time. Oh, Anastasia Beverly Hills, that's new. What else do I need from here? Should I use this one? My Dior Forever Glow Star Filter, since we put the Charlotte Tilbury one away. Let's go with this one for just maybe on those days where I don't want to wear foundation and just add something. Yeah, let's try this one. We'll see if we're going to need more. Now let's move on to concealer. Okay, so here are my concealers. I know I'm going to have to do a declutter, but for concealers, what I haven't used in a while is this one by LYS. This is such a good full coverage. It's brightening and it's just perfect concealer. I've been loving this one. Also, this time I think I'm going to choose, it's back here, I'll show you, my Glossier one. This is a concealer, but sometimes I like to use this all over the face, just spot conceal and just spray it over my face. I'm going to use that. Oh, this one I haven't used in a while. It's, look how much I've used. It's almost done. This is by Rare Beauty. And this is the Under Eye Brightener. So I think these three are enough for concealers. Highlighters. Not a super big fan of highlighters, but I'm going to choose one. I think, yeah, let's choose two. I'm going to choose my Merit and my Mario. These are really, really pretty. Like, look at that highlight, but quite chunky. And this is very, very, how do you call it? Very natural looking, you know, kind of for every day. So I'm going to choose this two for highlighters. Okay, for primer, last time I had my Westman Atelier and Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now we kind of chose that Dior. But let's choose this one. I want to use this one more by Natasha Denona. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but it's this pearlescent primer. So let's choose this one only. That's all I need. I don't need any sprays. I can always come grab some from here because I don't use sprays that often. Blushes, we're going to choose a ton here because I have so many. So definitely Patrick Ta. So let's see. Let's just grab randomly. No, I don't feel like this one. Okay, this is pretty. This is in She's Blushing. Any other ones? Oh, maybe I want this one too. More bronzy one in She's So LA. Okay, those two. I haven't used any of my Makeup by Mario's. So let's choose one. Should we choose this pink one? This crazy pink. Let's choose this one now. We have to choose more. Because I have so many, I have to do a declutter here. There's just too much. Let's use this one by Makeup by Mario. It's quite old and I do want to start using it. Like, look at this. Pretty shade. It's perfect. Any powder, let's move to the powder section here. For powder, YSL, Gucci, I thought pink. Oh, this one by MAC. But this is not really powder. It's quite... Let's use a powder one. More of a powder one. Dior. Okay, so let's choose Rosewood by Dior. So gorgeous. And, oh, this one by Tower 28. Let's use Tower 28. I wish I had more of this ones. They're so pretty. Very natural. So let's use those. So we have 3, 4, 5. And how about this one? Clinique. I think this is just perfect for fall too. Okay, let's move on to bronzers. Love bronzers. Look how pretty they are. For bronzer, I think I want to choose... I'm going to choose this one by Rare Beauty. This is a liquid bronzer. I really like this one by Westman Atelier, but I hate that I have to put it on the back of my hand. But you know what? I'm going to use it. I have to use it. So I'm going to choose that one. I haven't had a stick in a while. This one by Fenty Beauty. It's so good. This is just a classic. It's so pretty and it still works so nice. I love the formula. I love the color. Everything is just gorgeous about the shade. Okay, so that's enough for creams and liquids. Let's move on to the powder ones. Now here, I have not used in a while this one. Glowish by Huda Beauty. I don't even know if they have this anymore, but I'm going to take it out to use it. Oh, do you remember this one by LYS? Yes, this is so pretty too. Yeah, we're going to use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's choose one more. Why not? This one, ColourPop, Going Coconuts. Perfect. And they're really good to use on the ice as well. Okay, next. Okay, perfect. So we are back here at the Vanity. Like I said, I'm keeping Natasha Denona. This stays here. Now, let's start putting in the foundations. Oh, it looks really good. It's all refilled. I love how it looks. I chose to put my foundations here. I want to be able to see what I have. Then here, concealers and kind of like primer. Like this, I see it more as a primer. I don't, all over the face thing if I don't use foundation. So and my under eye corrector. So I chose to keep those together. Then of course, all my blushes. Here, I have this with my stuff that always stays here. I don't really switch this up very often. I use my Airbrow by Kosas. I have my Gucci eye pencil. That's pretty much what I use. My mascara, and I use this as a brow gel. And then all of my bronzers and my powder and highlighters. I only have 2 highlighters, so I thought I should just keep it all together with my bronzer and powder because I don't use much. You know, we forgot to choose. Let me bring my face palettes and choose one. Okay, so here are the face palettes that I have. And I know I'm not going to use this. I really, really don't like this. This is such a disappointment. I should have never bought it. It's so chunky and so powdery. It doesn't really look that good. So I'm not going to use that. I think I'm going to use this one as my face palette, my Hourglass, because otherwise I don't use them. So I'm going to add this to my drawer as well. I'll put it in the back, more in the back here. At least I see it. And then I can just grab it and use it. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup drawer right now. It's going to be here for a while till I start feeling like I've used everything quite a bit and I get bored of them. And then we're going to switch it up again. But I think this is a great quantity amount of products that I need to have on hand for a while. So this is what this looks like. Grab you from here. Here's a close-up. I have some sponges in the back there. Then my Hourglass that we just added. I have my Bobbi Brown. I have my Supergoop Play sunscreen. And then of course all of these beautiful products that we just added. Wow. That was a lot. I hope you guys really enjoyed going through my makeup together with me and switching up my vanity. I hope you guys like this new setup that I have. I like it better than back here where I have my lipsticks now and brushes. I am loving how everything looks. It's just so pretty, aesthetic looking. I can see everything and I know what I want to grab, and I'm excited to use this new makeup. We're definitely going to do a video on choosing some makeup from this vanity, so stay tuned for that as well. Lots of videos coming up. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.